Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this professional hair clippers. Let's show you guys what you get in the box. So you get a carrying bag. Oh no, wait, no, that's actually really cool. It looks like it's the cover. Oh, hold on guys. Yes, it's the hair guard. So you put it around you so the hair just slides off instead of going down your shirt and whatnot. Oh, that is awesome. They give you a little pamphlet here, a manual. This is how everything came packaged. So definitely looks like a heavy duty unit. Okay, that's nice. You guys can extend it out. So far, impressive. It is cordless and rechargeable. Gives you a battery power digital display right there. You just charge it right through there with the cable it gives you. Let's go ahead and see the clipper size that they give. Alright, so they give you number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1 is 3 mm, number 2 is 6 mm, number 3 is 10 mm, and 4, 13 mm. So you got actually some nice sizes there. Here's the power cable, by the way. It uses a USB for charging. Give you oil to oil your blade, and also cleaning brush to brush off hair. Yeah, this is a nice kit, guys. So I always do that before I shave, just to get it down finer. That helps from razor burn. But it does do a good job, guys. I like it a lot. So overall, it does do a good job. It's a good trimmer. It's not the best one I've had, but it's also not the worst. I would give it, if we're doing 1 through 5 stars, I would say it's about a 3, maybe 3.2 stars, 3.3. And that's good for a trimmer. A lot of trimmers I actually give 2 stars or less because most of them fail. So this one is definitely better than the average one. It's just not the best I've had, but it's still very good.